Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to show you some recipes that I have prepared for Muharram. Some Muslims celebrate this day as a day of festivity and happiness. We also celebrated this day by wearing new dresses and cooking special foods. Not all the time, depending on the situation. Here I am sharing some special Muharram recipes that you can easily prepare at home. Mutton soup, couscous masala, chili chicken and naan roti. It was little different and very tasty recipes. I used mutton leg bone pieces for mutton soup. It has already been cut and cleaned. The day before, I cooked the mutton bones with ginger and garlic paste because it would be so delicious when we make the soup. Add enough water. Add some salt and ginger and garlic paste. Mix it. Cover and let it boil for 1 hour. It was well cooked, so keep it aside. The next day, cook it again for a few minutes. This chicken for chili chicken, beef and prawns for couscous masala, and also took some vegetables. So first I am going to make dough for naan roti. Into the bowl add some warm water, add 1 tablespoon yeast and add 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well. Then add 3 cups of wheat flour, add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon baking powder and pinch of baking soda, some salt and 1 cup of curd. Ensure to use fresh curd. Mix well by a spoon. Add enough water and mix it again. Add some oil and then knead the dough for 5 minutes. There are many ways of naan recipe can be modified to select your taste. Knead to a smooth and soft dough. Flatten the dough and then place in the same bowl. Spread some oil all over the dough, cover and rest for 2 to 3 hours. This is couscous. Today I am sharing one of my favorite ways to enjoy couscous. I took 500 gram packet for 6 persons. Place the couscous in a bowl and pour the boiling water. Mix it. Cover and keep it aside until the water is completely absorbed. Okay, next let's start wash and cut the meat and vegetables. Cut the vegetables into 2 ways, slightly thinner form for mutton soup, also chop for couscous masala. Cut the onion and capsicum into a bite-sized pieces for chili chicken. And this is for shallot. I cut it into a flower shape for decorate. Cut the prawn and beef into small pieces for couscous masala. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Mainly boneless chicken is used in this dish, but I am going to cook bone-in chicken. You may use any kind of pieces. Add the chicken pieces into the bowl. Add some salt, pepper powder, chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, soya sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon wheat flour, 1 egg, and mix it. After mixing, keep it aside for a few minutes. Next, I am going to make mutton soup. Heat the vessel and add some oil. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, cardamom and cinnamon, green chili, curry leaves. Then add sliced onion and mix it. Add some salt, add ginger and garlic paste and turmeric powder. Time to add the vegetables, carrots, beans and spring onions. Add the tomato pieces and mix it. Add small cup of tamarind juice for extra sourness. Time to add boiled mutton into the masala with mutton broth. Mix it. Add enough water and mix well. I used only 5 cups of water for 5 persons. Add some salt if needed. Cover and cook it for a few minutes. Okay, mutton soup is well cooked. Now I am adding mutton stock cubes to give extra taste, but this is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. In the last, add crushed pepper and cumin. Mix it. Okay, it's done. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Next, I am going to make couscous. Heat the kadai. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add some green chilies, prawn pieces, add beef pieces, some salt, turmeric powder, pepper powder, chili flakes, cardamom and chili. Mix them and fry well. Now add the sliced onion, spring onion, carrots, beans, capsicum and tomato pieces. Mix well everything. Now let's check the couscous. It's done, ready to use. Use a spoon and break up the clumps. Next, add the couscous into the masala. Mix it well so that the masala is evenly distributed in the couscous. Couscous is more like barley in texture. It can be used instead of rice to reduce the calories. It is simple to cook and delicious dinner recipe. If you try this recipe, then you will never forget to cook this again. Garnish with vegetables and it is ready to be served. Next, I am going to make chili chicken. Heat the wok and add enough oil. Place the chicken pieces into the hot oil and fry them well. Okay, chicken is well fried. Take out and drain it. Next step, heat the oil first. Add some chopped garlic, dried red chili, some crushed cashew nuts, and roast well. Add onion and capsicum pieces and mix well. Then add some salt, soya sauce, chili sauce, tomato sauce, and add some pepper powder. Mix it well. Add some red chili powder and some vinegar. Meanwhile, I am going to make corn flour slurry with chicken stock. This is chicken stock. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour and mix it. And now add fried chicken pieces. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure that the chicken is well coated in the sauces. Finally, add corn slurry into the masala, mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. This is my way of cooking chili chicken and you can cook it any other way you like. Okay, chili chicken is done. Remove and transfer into the bowl. Garnish with coriander leaves. Next I am going to make naan roti. The dough is ready to use. Divide medium size. This roti will have a tear-shaped form. You can even gently pull the dough with your hands to get the shape. Roll it up with rolling pin. And then place the naan on hot tawa. Spread some butter on top. And add some coriander leaves on top. Cook the downside more than the other side. Okay, it's done. Flip to the other side. Naan roti is ready. Let's cut and place the hot naan in a roti basket. This naan roti should be eaten hot for best taste. As once it cools down, then it becomes very hard. Serve the hot naan with chili chicken. Okay, our dinner is ready. I am going to have it with my loving family. You can also try this recipe at home. Hope you all like this video. Share the videos with your friends and family. Friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye.
Ini